Hey guys, at the start of yesterday's price action, it was extremely difficult. So I thought I'd run through it. There's a couple of very confusing things, and I thought I'd explain to you how having hard and fast black and white rules just keeps you out of trouble. So remember our setups here. We have the highest close in an uptick, the highest close in an uptrend on a downtick in ATR. So immediately we stop taking short setups. Now, because of that, this is still before our time window. This is still 1:38. I don't start trading till 2. So this whole short setup is invalidated. We don't take that. At the start of the day, which happens right here, this is the start of the day, we are in a downtrend from this bar. We have a hammer candle. We have confirming evidence. We have a Bollinger touch on the 5, a Bollinger touch on the 10. We have to place this order. It's not filled. Here, we have another setup, another hammer candle. So we have a retest concept buy setup. We enter here. We're in a loser straight away. Here again, we have touch of the Bollinger, higher close, lower close, place the order, no entry, place the order again, no entry, place the order again, no entry, place the order again. The high here is 27.1, so entry is 27.5. The high is only 27.2. The high is still only 27.2. We get entry on this bar. Doesn't get there, gets to here before it reverses. So the start of the day, we're two trades, 2 losers in. Very difficult trading conditions. Lowest close in the trend. We're in decreasing vol. Out of decreasing vol, we've broken the pivot too high here. Higher close, lower close, hammer candle. This is a buy setup. Do we have confirming evidence? We do. We have Bollinger touches on the 5, Bollinger touches on the 10. We get long, immediately stopped out. So we're 0 from 3, terrible start to the day. We have touch of the Bollinger, higher close, lower close. To be a valid trade, we need to satisfy our risk-reward filter. The target needs to be less than the highest high in 25 bars. This is the highest high in 25 bars. The target here is way up here. So this is no trade. Now, this is where it gets confusing. At the same time as we're waiting for this long trade to become a good risk-reward trade, we have a short trade. We have a touch of the upper Bollinger, lower close, higher close, and we have confirming evidence. So we have both a long trade and a short trade setting. Now, if we work out where is the target here, our low is 24.4, so our entry point would be 24. Our stop loss would be 30, so that would be 5.5 for 6. So that places our target way below here. So this is not a valid trade on the long side or the short side. On the long side, because our target is above here. On the short side, our target is below here, which is the lowest low in 25 bars. Here's the highest high in 25 bars. Okay, and then we have to wait for this short setup to become high and tight. At this point, the entry point is 72 and the stop loss is 30. So that would be 8 for 9. So 72 minus 9 is 60. Sorry, that would be the entry point would be 24.5 and the stop loss would be 30. That would be 5.5. So 24.5 minus 6 is 18.5 as a target. Still too far. So this is not a setup in place. The very next bar, we break the high of this setup, cancelling the trade. Now, we have touch of the Bollinger, lower close, higher close. Not a valid trade because the target's below the lowest low in 25 bars. Again, below the lowest low in 25 bars. Does it set up here, it looks like it may have set up, but two things. The high here is 314 and the high here is 313. So by breaking that high, the setup is off the table. The other thing too is we are in an we are not in an uptrend. Okay, so that's all I wanted to point out. Just an extremely difficult series of price action. I just wanted to point it out to you.